My name is Dr. Bimal Chajer. I am the director of Saul Heart Center. Saul means science and art of living. We combine the medical science with the art of living. Medical science, we have borrowed almost everything except bypass surgery, angioplasty. We train heart patients on the complete knowledge about cholesterol, triglyceride, HDL, LDL, VLDL, blood sugar, cholesterol. All these, along with this, we train heart patients on yoga, meditation, stress management, and all of them together we have heart care treatment. And this not only helps to prevent the heart disease but also reverse the heart disease. That means blockage from 80% would go towards 78%. And through this treatment we train heart patients about how to reverse the heart disease. These 3 days training camp I am doing in Hyderabad now, and every month in fact we do these such camps in all over the country, and all these camps are sponsored by Imami Foundation, a Calcutta based corporate foundation. And in these training camps we are going to teach zero oil cooking, how to cook the food without oil. Along with that we teach people yoga, meditation, which is best suited for the heart patients. We teach them walking, we teach them yoga, and along with that we give them all the knowledge including that cooking demonstration, zero oil cooking. Such camps are held all over the country, and we have our clinics in Calcutta, Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Madras, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, and Jaipur, and Dhaka in Bangladesh, in Nepal, Kathmandu. All these places we educate heart patients on heart care, and this is what we call science and art of living. Along with this treatment, people really want to do faster treatment. Then we have something called natural bypass, through which the body's extra tubes, the heart's extra tubes are opened through a machine called the natural bypass or ECP. Along with that we have a chemical treatment through which we can eat up the blockage by chemicals, and this is called chemical cleaning. All these treatment together can make up a best treatment for the heart disease, where we don't have to cut. If you look at the bypass surgeons and angioplasty doctors, they are doing operations, but sooner or later these operations fail because the blockages occur, and especially so after angioplasty the blockages close within 6 months, 1 year and 2 years. After the bypass surgery it does not last for a long time because we have disturbed the body. I believe without cutting the body, if we can reverse the heart disease, this is the best thing to happen. So for this we have developed this revolutionary idea: give all the information to the patient, let them follow everything in their own way and get rid of the heart disease. We of course do not stop the medical allopathic treatment because that is also very important. With the allopathic treatment we control the heart patients first, and then along with that we give them all the lifestyle advices so they can reverse the heart disease.